How to track walking distance on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Health application on your phone. The Health application is a central hub for your health and fitness data, allowing you to track a wide range of health metrics, manage medical information, and share it with others. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the search icon. From the Health Categories option, go to Activity. You can view all your activity over here, such as your steps, walking and running distance, active energy, resting energy, and more. Then, go to Walking plus Running Distance. You can now track your activity distance from here. Following these steps, you can easily track walking distance on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.